Hey, welcome back. So over the next couple of videos, we're going to break down this template so you can confidently launch your job board platform. First things first, to get fully comfortable with this template, I do recommend watching as many Wized tutorials as possible to understand how data like this would be handled. Secondly, please note that renaming anything within Wized, Memberstack, Airtable will cause issues when it comes to how data is referenced. So before deleting or renaming anything, make sure they are not linked to anything important. Thirdly, please remember to update your Webflow website custom code with your own Memberstack install code over here. And if you're planning on changing any of the paid plans within Memberstack, so any of these plans, then you would need to upgrade or update the plan attributes over here. You would need to update the plan attributes over here with your own plan attributes. And that's just to make sure that everything that is within your Memberstack app is being referenced correctly on your website. And last but not least, in Make. So in Make, you will, yes, be able to import all the scenarios used for this template, but also remember to connect your app. And by this, I mean that when you click on a module over here, you'll be asked to connect your app. So please make sure you are connecting your app over here. Otherwise, these scenarios would not work. So these connections would be the same for Airtable, Memberstack, and so on. All right, and that's about it. I'll see you in the next one where we'll start with the sign up pages. Bye.